Disappearing mini bracket installation instructions for installing with 3M adhesive tape. This method is recommended for securing to smooth surfaces like tile, glass, stone, or engineered stone surfaces. 3M tape installation is not recommended for drywall, wallpapered, or heavily textured surfaces. Please review all operation and installation instructions with your hotel engineering department and tile and shower wall supplier and/or manufacturer before installing this dispenser bracket system. Supplies needed. Installation. Locate a flat, leveled area for mounting the bracket, away from a direct continuous stream of shower water. Clean the surface thoroughly with detergent. Be sure to completely remove all soap film, dirt, and other contaminants from the surface. Using isopropyl alcohol and a fresh, clean cloth, clean the surface again. This will remove any remaining residue. This step is critical for proper adhesion. Do not use the same cloth from the previous step, as this could contaminate the surface. Pat dry with the fresh, clean cloth. Use the installation template to identify bracket placement. Avoid placing brackets directly over grout lines, if possible. Use center lines and top marks or top edge of template with a level to align and assure template is straight. Using tape on all four corners, tape the installation template to the wall in the desired position. Locate the double-sided adhesive tape pre-installed on the back of the bracket. Carefully remove the film cover. Be sure not to touch or contaminate the exposed adhesive. Carefully align and insert the bracket into the die-cut opening on the installation template. Be sure the bracket does not catch on the edge of the template. Press the bracket firmly against the wall using the entire palm and leaning against the bracket. 15 pounds force minimum is required. Hold pressure for 30 seconds. The stance will look like a push-up against the wall. This step is critical for proper adhesion. Next, install the remaining brackets. Be sure to hold each bracket firmly for 30 seconds for proper adhesion. An optional installation tool is available separately to assist in applying the proper force. Place the tool over the bracket and press firmly until the tool is fully compressed. Hold pressure for 30 seconds. Carefully remove the installation template and set aside for reuse. Next, open the bracket lids by inserting the key through the slot on the right side of each bracket. Using a silicone tube with a small nozzle, apply a thin bead of silicone around the entire perimeter of each bracket to protect the adhesive tape from water. Leave the locking lids open. Allow 24 hours for the adhesive tape and silicone to cure before bottle installation. Installing the bottles. First, open the bottle pump by rotating the spout counterclockwise until it pops up. Align the back rib of the bottle with the channel in the bracket and slide the bottle down into the bracket. Close the locking lid by pressing down until it clicks. The lid locks automatically. Install the remaining bottles and align the pumps. Installation is now complete. For more information and installation templates, visit hoteliers.gilchristsoames.com/mini-bracket guides.